What's going on, guys? Today's Mining Disrupt 2024 conference is brought to you by our amazing partners Osprey Electronics, AlphaPex Miners, Yeti Audits, as well as Dynex, Alphium, and the BlockFlow Alliance. Without these amazing sponsors, we would not be able to get you the latest and greatest coverage from today's show, so let's dive in.
With his hands, the rivets interfere with airflow. The rivets reduce aircraft aerodynamics and cause too much turbulence. Next slide. But here's the thing. If you know history, you know that Howard Hughes...
Yes. And then his friend said something.
This is the dream miner city. That's cool.
This is like a small one, right? And then this is the inside. Oh no,
You're good. You're good. Keep on going.
But so this is like a where you put your miners and then lay down like this. And then this is the control panel. You can control all the panels from switch on and off from
Well, in
this.
some situations, you can't go up, so...
And it's like a PDU.
And so how many can you get in each tank?
16. So
16 per tank, so 16 here, 16 here, so 32 total. So you're looking at
So what is like the biggest...
this is like a quarter.
like
Quarter
point .2 of a megawatt.
Yes.
Yep, okay. So I was trying to do the
we
quick
have
math
like
in my head.
like big ones, like
Yeah.
40 foot.
Correct.
40 foot container, and F8 you have like 8 tanks, and then that would be one.
And then here's the dry cooler that they were talking about. Pretty cool. Kind of all built into one little unit here. Given this by Caspa Funding. What is we got here, man? Holy cow. give me a Caspa Tangent wallet. We got a t-shirt, Caspa shirt, a Caspa mug. We got a bunch of goodies in there, guys. Look at all the goodies. Holy cow. And I only thought I was getting a Caspa, just the Caspa Tangent, and I got a full-on box. Holy cow, guys.
A little spoiler there, the meetup, we're gonna have a bunch for everyone.
Super awesome. I appreciate you guys so much. Yeah, so we have a spoiler at the event because there's the Caspa event is tomorrow.
The meetup is on the 26th, I wanna say.
Well, today's Monday, right?
It's Wednesday,
right?
No, Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday, yeah, so it's tomorrow.
So tomorrow night.
Yeah, because tonight's the cafe. So then tomorrow night, same time, 7? 7 or 6? I couldn't.
I believe it's 6 to 11. If I'm
6
not
to 11?
mistaken. But don't quote me.
Right.
I'll check the information because or do your own research.
That's right, that's right. And that'll be at the Moxie, right?
Yes, the Moxie rooftop.
All right, and so we have a special announcement coming out on that event?
There's some fun things going on.
All
We're gonna have to
right.
wait and see.
So guys, looks like we'll be heading over there tomorrow at the Moxie for some Caspa goodies. Shout out to Caspa Funding for getting this over to me, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much,
You're
man.
welcome.
Getting some B-roll.
Compatible with HPC racks. So this is a 2U configuration.
Okay.
They easily swap in.
And so, how many chips are on like the home miner? The home miner is it a singular chip?
Yeah, the chips are all the same. It's just like there are
Just the
different
quantity.
quantity. Yeah,
Correct,
yeah.
correct.
So for the home miner, obviously, it's running at a lower hash rate. So
Yeah,
the
lower
full
frequency.
chips. This guy is targeted for the large scale miners. So we put a lot of chips on it. So this car has 5 and 12 for each hash board, and there are 2.
There's 2 hash boards?
Like each machine has over 1,000 chips.
Wow, that's a lot of density. So what is the hash rate on this particular unit?
So we're still testing it and haven't figured out the final hash rate, but based on the chips, you can see it's definitely much more powerful than the way on the
Right.
Yeah. Well, I don't have the exact specs at the moment because
Right.
we're still tweaking it.
This is still fairly new product that's not really out yet.
Yeah.
Kind of like our home miners over there.
We're taking it at the end of the year.
Okay.
And the home miner is coming around like a Q4.
So towards the end of the year.
Yeah. Right in time for Christmas.
Perfect. If you're listening, wife, Christmas. Home miner for Christmas. That's awesome. I love this. I love seeing hydro units and kind of where we're going with something like that.
Yeah, as I said, we want to be everyone's mining partner. So no matter you are a large scale capital type of mining operation, or you are just a home mining hobbyist or enthusiast,
Yeah.
so we find our products to suit your needs.
Correct. That is amazing. I appreciate you again, Ben, for sharing this. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Winning number for a KSO Pro Caspa edition. This officially makes the second KSO Pro that I've ever won. So here's the winning ticket. Here it is. I posted on Twitter yesterday. Y'all are amazing. Thank you so much for the awesome product.
Now what's the power? 12 tick. Who knows what that means?
Well, we didn't have a wallet, we didn't have an exchange, we didn't have a